I'm going to talk today about one of the chiropractic techniques we use here at Sundial, which is called Activator technique. Now, an activator is this instrument here, and it gives a wee click like that, which unlocks stiff joints very gently. Some people don't like the cracking that's associated with some chiropractic techniques, and for some conditions, actually, a manipulation is not the best way to proceed. So the instrument, the activator, is a really effective way of gently unlocking those joints without causing any trauma, and a lot of people find it more comfortable. Let me show you how it works. You can see here the wooden blocks placed against each other, and if we use the activator at one end of the block line, then you can see the effect on the others, and this is the sort of effect that we see in the spine. If you think you might like to try Activator technique, then give us a call, come in for a free check, and let us see if you've got the sort of problem that might respond well to this very gentle but effective technique.